Okay, this is Lab 3, installing Windows 7. We are working our way through Windows 7 configuration, part of the Microsoft Official Academic course, in preparation for exam 70-680. So in this video, we're going to look at installing Windows 7 from a DVD. We may or may not get to joining a workstation to a domain in this video. If not, we will do it in the next video. Just depends on time. Okay, so in this exercise, we're going to install Windows 7 on a workstation using a standard installation DVD. The approximate time for this is about 20 minutes. So we're going to do a clean Windows 7 installation on the Vista workstation, removing all traces of the old operating system. So in order to do this, I have my machine turned off. I went into settings, and I've assigned the Windows 7 ISO here, so that I'll have access to it once I get into the machine. So I'm going to go ahead and log in and we'll get started. And I'm going to go ahead and boot from CD or DVD. Minimize this, bring this up. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and log in as student. Okay, we log in with password. And let's go ahead and close this. Click on here, go into computer. And here's the file for the DVD that I've attached. And we're going to go ahead and click on setup and then continue. So if we go ahead and just do an install now. And we're going to do not get latest updates on with. No. Accept. Next. We're going to do a custom. And we're going to go ahead and click on Now we only have the one partition here, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave it. Although it's possible that you could have had a System 1 reserve partition, a partition 2, and another partition for unallocated space. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on next. That's fine. I'm going to go ahead and do OK. And I'm going to go ahead and do a new install. And I'm going to pause this I'm going to pause the video while I wait for this to install. Okay, we're going to type in a username, which is going to be student, and we're going to type in the computer name, which is going to be NYC-CL2, and then click on next. Password. And then next. Ask me later. And then Eastern. And then next. Work. allow this to finish or finalize settings. And I'll pause the video while it finalizes. Okay, while I'm waiting on that, what I'm going to do is go ahead and click on my start. I'm on the RWDC and go into Administrative Tools and go into Active Directory Users and Computers. And I'm going to create a new computer. And we're going to call this NYC-CL2. And then next, finish. And you'll see here we right-clicked, went into Properties, and we did delegation, and we did this trust this computer for delegation for any service purpose only. So I'm going to go ahead and do OK and do the same thing here. And then OK. Now let's flip over to here. And I'm going to right click, open Network and Sharing, Adapter, double click, Properties, and I'm just going to use the server 10.10.0.2, and then OK, close, and close this, left click, right click computer, go into Properties. Now we should be able to click on Change Settings, Change Domain. If not, we'll need to deal with the firewalls. Okay, and we're going to type in administrator password, and then OK. And then OK, close, restart later. I'm going to close out of this, close out of this. Okay, now we've joined our workstation to a domain. And now we're going to go ahead and restart the computer. And that is the end of Lab 3 and the end of this exercise.